Hi, this is Subramanian. PEAT classes. I'm very happy to inform you. PEAT classes, Gate Coaching Institute, which is very near to your home. Now PEAT classes is available at KPHP in the city all around. We have the transport facility also. So many number of buses for KPHP. So PEAT classes is especially exclusively founded by the alumnus IITs. So P. Bhanuchandra, he is an IITian, he is a founder of PEAT classes. He is from IIT Bombay. Like all faculty which we have the PEAT classes, they are from the alumnus of IITs only. Let's come to the GATE. GATE is a national level competitive exams for exclusively for engineering students only. GATE is nothing but graduate aptitude test in engineering, right? So GATE will be GATE is national level entrance exam. Let's take in previous year near to 9 lakh students will appear the GATE 2014. Let's coming to this year, this ratio will be increased to in this GATE 2014 near to 15 lakh students will going to attend the GATE 2014. So as compared with previous year, this year the students more number of students will attend the GATE. So by comparing year by year, competition is going increasing for GATE exam. Why? Let's take GATE is what are the factors which are affecting this GATE exam? Why the strength is going to increase for GATE exam? Let's see one factor. GATE is national level exam which is purely conducted by the Indian Institute of Technology. That is the one factor. So apart from this, all public sector units done their requirement to the GATE score only. This is the main factor for appearing the GATE student more. Fine. So some in GATE 2014 some modifications are done. Like in GATE 2014 onwards, this exam will be conducted on totally online based test, CBT, computer based test only. Fine. Let's come to the B classes. So see, B classes is exclusively founded by the alumnus IITs, and all faculties which we have the B classes, they are the full-time faculty availability from. You can ask doubt at any time. We have the faculty available for you at 24/7 hours. So apart from this, we have the well-qualified faculties. Just take one example. The person who have the destination, he will guide the people on how to reach the destination, what are the problems, how to overcome, and what is the exact way to reach the destination. Like this, our faculties which we have, they get the good GATE scores. So they know how to analyze the problems, how to analyze the GATE problems, and how to solve them, where the student gets struggled, how to overcome the struggles. Right? So these are my faculty will explain you. Like they have the analysis power. Engineering study is nothing but analysis power, right? So tell me one thing, what is the main difference between one ordinary student and one first rank student in classroom? So mathematical knowledge, analysis power will differentiate the first rank student from the ordinary student. One who have the good mathematical knowledge, automatically you will become a first ranker, right? Like this, for GATE also, if you have the good analytical mathematical knowledge, then automatically you will be good ranker, good scorer. So our B classes main motto is we trust on practice only. We more facts. B classes focus on analysis power, only analysis, problem analysis only. That is our main approach. Even you are an ordinary student, you don't bother about them. So please come with us. We will make you as a good GATE scorer or good ranker, right? Fine. So this is about GATE. So tell me, we have some questions here. Can you answer it? Like when GATE, IES, PSU syllabus is same, then why we need to take separate coaching for IES or GATE? Right? Then second, let's see, some students struggled. Even they are taking the 2-3 times GATE coaching, but they don't succeed. They didn't get the GATE rank. Why? Again question. Fine. Even some students struggled while solving the GATE problems. Even though they are easily solved the classroom coachings also. So this is one coaching for the students also. So why? Because they don't have the analytical analysis power. The persons who have the analysis power, then you will automatically solve the whatever may be, gate problems or classroom, whatever may be. So our B class's main motto is analysis, problem analysis. So for this we have the 250 classroom session with 500 practice sessions only. So due to some modification in GATE 2014, B classes have the practice session with computer grade test. After completion of your subject, go for the computer test, CBT test, computer grade test, and check your knowledge and what knowledge you have gained. Right? And apart from this, finally you have the 3 mock test. It is based on the computer based test. Right? You have any doubts? Okay, fine. B process is exclusively for engineering students, and we trust on practice session only. Fine. And apart from this, we have some more faculties which are more well trained in power sector units. Like faculties from NPTI, they are trained in NPTI. So you have the good knowledge in power systems. So this knowledge is very helpful to you while preparing for some other PSC exams like public sector is whatever it's AP Genco or AP Transco. Okay. Right, fine. If you have any doubts or queries, you can also check our website www.bclasses.in. Here you find the free details, faculties, all details, examination structure, and some more further updates also. You can check our email also, and you can also directly come to our office. Our office will be also available 24/7 hours. Even Sunday also our office is available. Our office is at KPHB, road number 2, first floor, above Orange Clinic. Fine. You have any questions, you have to contact our office number. It's 897-8939-777. Thank you, and all the best for your GATE exam. Use your time cleverly to get GATE score. As an engineering student, do smart work, don't do hard work. All the best. Thank you so much.